Alright guys, so welcome back. We are working on this Subaru XT, which is a 2.5 turbo. Not a very common Subaru, but still a pretty cool car anyway. Now, this one, as you can see here, has a little bit of a hole in the block, which is going to need to be repaired. We're trying to dig into this so that way we can spin the crank and see if we can remove just the engine, or if we have to remove the engine and transmission. If we can't spin this, everything's got to come out. On this side, we decided to showcase some of the parts that we blew off of this, or was blown off of this car. Spitting out part numbers, just letting us know what we need. Yeah, that's what we need. An EJ25. So, we got one. We already knew we were going to need it. But anyway, we are going to keep going on this. We're going to pull out some more pieces and check that crank. So, we already put a breaker bar on the crank here, and we tried to spin it. And we were able to get it maybe about anywhere between an eighth to a quarter of a turn back and forth before it locks up. We do need to be able to spin it all the way around to remove those flex plate bolts. So hopefully with a little bit of luck and some ingenuity, we'll be able to spin this thing all the way around. We got the AC compressor out of the way, alternator, power steering pump is off, intercooler, throttle body is out of the way, and currently we also have the intake manifold disconnected. It's not out of the way yet, but it's unbolted from the heads. Alright, so to take off the flex plate bolts right here, we have to spin the crank. Well, there's a rod, the rod from this side over here is up over on this side over here, so it's jamming everything up and we can't spin the crank. Oh, maybe we got it there. Felt like it.
Only got one left, I think.
Ooh. Just went past it.
Alright, so we'll be able to get the torque converter bolts out with no problem.
Yeah! Alright, we got the lift up in place. The transmission bolts are all loose. The motor mount bolts are loose. The engine is basically just kind of hanging there right now. It's being supported by the lift now, so we can remove those bolts out and we should be able to pull this engine right out without any problems. So we're going to put you guys on some time lapse while we struggle with this, and you get to laugh. Yeah. Alright, as you can see, we got it out, guys, so now it's time to start rebuilding. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.